Hey guys, it's Divya Sahu and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to do a Urbanic haul. So let's talk about Urbanic. Urbanic is a new app, I guess, and I stumbled upon Urbanic while scrolling on Facebook or Instagram. I saw its ad and the first thing which really attracted me was how much it resembled Shein. So when I first opened the app, I was really shocked because it looked quite similar to Shein. The presentation and the design of the app was quite similar and the dresses tops were quite attractive, so I thought let's give it a shot. So I picked up few tops and a dress as well. So we are going to do a first impression kind of a video. So I haven't tried these dresses at all. This is the first impression. I'm going to open the package and I'm also going to try it out. So I haven't tried it before. This is the first time I'm trying out their tops and I'm really excited. Let's hope it's good. And before starting the video, I would like to request you all to please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So without any further ado, let's get started. So now let's talk about the shipping and the procedure. So they shipped the product within 2 days and it was mentioned that they will deliver within 7 days, and the delivery was on time. It got delivered within 7 days, which is a big thumbs up for me. And they do international shipping, so it takes time, but I'm glad that they deliver it on time. And packaging was quite secure. The products were in good condition and I really love the packaging. Now moving on to the product. So the first one is this zebra print bodysuit, and the moment I saw this zebra print bodysuit, I really loved it. It looked beautiful on the website. The pics were so beautiful, and I have to say that Urbanic is a very nice app when it comes to product quality, because whatever was shown on the website, the product in real life also looks quite similar. So this is a big plus for me, and the material was super soft and of good quality. The fabric had a lot of stretch to it, so that's why I went for a size down, and I'm glad that I did it because the fabric is quite stretchy. So overall I love this bodysuit, and yes, it's a very nice one. So the second one is this nude color bodysuit, and first of all I fell in love with the sleeves and it looked really beautiful on the side. And I have to say again and again that the products or the tops are exact same, like whatever they show on the website you will get exact same product, because sometimes when you do online shopping the product differs and it doesn't look similar to what they show on the websites. But this is not the case with Urbanic. The product you get is similar to the product they have shown in the website, so that is a big plus. And it has, this bodysuit has a v-neck and a net kind of a sleeves, and the sleeves are beautiful. The best thing about this bodysuit is the sleeves. The beautiful net design just uplifts the overall look of this bodysuit, and that's why I really love it. The material was super soft and very nice. I'm really impressed by now because everything is quite nice and the quality is bomb. Now the third one is this lavender top. So you might be knowing that I am super obsessed with the color lavender, and when I saw this one I just thought, okay, here's a lavender top, so I have to get it. And I really like this asymmetrical design. First of all, the ruffles are really beautiful. It looks good in the pics as well as it looks very good in real life, and the ruffles stay in place. They don't fold or they don't look clumsy, and that's a very nice thing. Again, the material is super soft. The material feels very nice to the skin, so I will give it a plus. And also the color is quite beautiful. Again, the pic which was shown on the website and which I got, the product which I got is similar, so again I will give it a big plus. Really love this top. So the next one is this bodysuit which I got, and I totally love the color. It is, you know, a wine color bodysuit. Actually, it is a mixture of maroon and wine, which looks so damn pretty. It looks even better in real life, and I really love it. The material is quite good but not the best, but it is actually good. Considering the price, I will definitely give it a plus, and the material is quite stretchy as well. I really like the fabric because it is soft, and yes, it looks exactly similar to what I was shown on the app, so that is a very big plus. So this is the only dress which I got from this haul, because I was really skeptical. ये मेरा first time था and मैंने कभी Urbanic से कुछ shop नहीं किया, so that's why I didn't know कि products कैसे होंगे. So this is the only dress, and it is a teal color dress, and I really love teal color, and I was really looking for something which I can buy in teal color. I was looking for tops and dresses, and luckily I got this maxi dress which is bodycon, and I have to say this material is also soft and very nice, and it gives a very nice shape to the body. It really gives you a very hourglass kind of a shape, which I really love, and it was quite inexpensive, and for the quality I will really give it a big plus. I really love this dress. So yeah, Urbanic is quite good actually. So the last one is this leopard print top, and I really love this one. You know, this leopard print and animal print is so much in trend these days, and I really wanted a very nice leopard print top, and I have to say I am really impressed with this one. The quality is super good, and the fabric was really soft. I really like this one. These kind of tops look super good with a leather jacket and black denims. I think you can pair it with almost everything and it will look super good. I cannot wait to style this top in numerous ways, and that's why I really love these kind of animal printed tops and dresses, because they look so trendy and chic. So that's all for today's haul video. Now talking about my first impressions. So I totally got impressed by Urbanic, and I will definitely buy more products from this app. Now talking about the product quality, I will give it an 8.5 just because of the purple bodysuit. The quality of the purple bodysuit was little clumsy. The material felt little cheap, that's why I gave it a 8.5. Otherwise I would have really given it 9.5 or 10 on 10, because other products, other tops and dresses were really good. Now talking about what we see on the app and what we get. So for this I will give 10 on 10, because the images that we see on the app or the website is exactly the same which you get. Whatever I got, they all looked exactly similar to what I was shown on their app, so that's why I will give it 10 on 10. Now talking about the price, so the pricing is quite reasonable, so I will give it an 8 just because, no, I will give it an 8.5 because of the teal dress, because the quality of the dress was super good and it was like around 500 or something, so I will give it an 8.5. But Urbanic is totally a good brand and I'm totally impressed with this one. So guys, that's all for today's video, and Urbanic is a very nice brand and I'm totally impressed with this brand, and I'm looking forward to buy more stuffs from this app. If you like this video, then please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and also share it with your friends, and I will see you in my next video very soon. Till then, take care.